welcome back to another episode of Grandma's Cooking with a Twist. I'm your host, Kristy Angelee. Today, we'll be making pasta carbonara. And I know each and every one of you have pasta in your home that you can make this dish. So the things that we're going to be needing that I found in my pantry, I have pasta, I found the tricolored rotini, eggs, I have my red crushed pepper, olive oil, chicken flavor, and also cheese, salt, and pepper. So what you're going to do, you're going to bring your pasta to a boil for 9 minutes. While your pasta is boiling, you're going to crack open your eggs. You're going to mix it up really well. I'm using Monterey Jack cheese. You're going to shred the cheese up into your egg mixture and let that sit while you are cooking your pasta. After your pasta get done, let it sit for 1 minute, and then you're going to add the pasta into your egg mixture. And voila, that's your dish. And I'm also using parsley. You're going to sprinkle parsley on the top just to add that extra pizzazz. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon, and remember, keep cooking.